All right, so we're going to factor this expression. So in order to factor the expression, I do have to find the greatest common factor of 32, 28, and 48. 2 is a common factor, but I can go bigger than that. I can do 4. 6 would work for 48, but not for 32. 8 would work for 32 and 48, but it's not going to work for 28. So 4 is actually my greatest common factor. So 32 divided by 4 is going to be 8a. 28 divided by 4, that's going to be 7, and I'll put the b there. And then I have 48 divided by 4, that's going to be 12c. And one thing I can always do is I can look at what I have left and I can see, is there a factor that I can still divide out of 8, 7, and 12? And 7 is a prime number, so the only other factor would be 7 itself, so there isn't another factor I can pull out. So the answer is 4, and then in parentheses, 8a minus 7b plus 12c.